Igbo ndị mana gem ntị kenekwa mụ na ebi na nene masị m udo ya dịla onye ọbụla biko nwere ihe m chọrọ ịkọwalụ na ihe mee taa mana na nwere dibịa ọrụ na fufuchi ebe a nwa na-adị n'akụkụ ebe a na nwere onye jebu na nke wee gbaa afa wee gbacha afa after all said and done wee ana abụkpa business so emecha that business went successful the man ọkwa ụgwọ lụcha but after few moments later few days few months mgbe bụ na ha ji wee kpata nwunye wee chọọ ijekwu mmadụ ụgwọ ọrụ ihe nna ya unu breakdown tupu na-enene vidiyo anụnwa nwunye wee chọọ ijekwu mmadụ ụgwọ ọrụ were idea wee mee mistake wee kwụọle dibịa anụnwa 2,350,000 na akaụntụ ya dibịa wee kpaa the money mee ka offer ya according to him also know his boy mecha wee fụ the money na no nwere access to the account blah 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 gịnị wee ju emekwa gịnị ju eme mana as God may have it the money was later recovered mana nke ntukwu unu ihe meje weta video maka na asị gịnị me no ofu aka lụta mmanụ ojezue ebere na ihe mgbe call was put across to this dibia before or ma acknowledge not for the money and the account belongs to nyanwa mana nwa ya nwoke je wele ga forward that to his own personal account mana all this way why didn't the man send this money back to this young man until okwu anu wee pụta ezi na nekene na this video ka unu fụ mgbe dị ndọrọ ọchịchị bidoro mgbe izizi unu nechazi ya unu afọzi ya ka esi wee recover 2,600,000 first ọkaji ụgwọ 450,000 aya akwụ na this video unu necha nka na anachiata azụ ọzọ.
They are allowed to go to that my boy. It's my brother they keep their account. They are allowed, not me.
Okay, sir. Don't be offended. Your boy acknowledged that he saw 3 million naira, 3,050,000.
You said?
Did your boy acknowledge the payment of 3,050,000?
My boy has never denied that for one day. Okay. And that is why I'm already giving him full confidence that the money will give him full confidence that the money will pay. But today, wait till last until my boy come back. Nobody have denied that money for even a half day. What we are telling him that for him to wait, let my boy come back so that we can send the money back to him. Ask him, you know what I'm telling for us.
Okay, sir. Sir, is it that your boy cannot go to bank from where he is and forward the money back to this guy? Because if it enters Saturday, it is now weekend. And according to him, he says it is business money.
Like I told you, you understand? Who is talking like he does it?
Governor is asking. It's Governor Ezioku.
Okay, yeah. Governor. Are you listening my voice?
Yes, I'm listening.
My boy tell me the truth. He told me that when he saw the money, and I did not tell him that I'm expecting such amount of money. So he forwarded the money. Although he called me, let me just be sincere to you. He called me for the first time before the woman even called me. My boy already called me. Tell me that am I expecting to see a lot of money? I said no. They asked me, do I give anybody bill that is for work for some of money? I said no. He said okay. But I was very busy by that time. I didn't ask him what is the problem or this or that. I'm very, very busy. I don't need what we do now work that for me. So it's when the woman called me on phone. He said, the woman that is phone on phone, can you say that how to do that? My boy in home. That is why I'm giving them confidence that the money will not lost. But now, my boy asked me a question, and I said no, that I'm not expecting such amount of money. He now moved the money to his own personal account, not my personal account. Since I said that I'm not expecting such money, so he now moved the money to his own private account, not my personal account.
Now, kezikwanụ ntụkwu unu mfu ka esi wee recover the money maka unu si unu gịnị na mgbe ọ si na the money was forwarded na akaụntụ nwa boy ya. So na just ka nwa boy esi wee wele ego akwela ọga o maka na ọsọ ọga na receive ego na data account well forward na his personal account onu na amara ma nwe ihe na-aga on dia. Mana ọ bụrụ ihe niile ka ya akpa afasha mana onye ọbụla nwere uche ya ọtasị na there's a foul play happening here at that moment. So man, what on actually but the joy is that na emechago where recover the money. Now just makana me call am nwoke majiwe ti this thing ke we recover you ga no sharp ko na ochoro buru ige the man ntin bo na you ya before. So now no me that money transfer now does it mean that when nwoke ya acquire the money back or you forward the quality back to his personal account? About you now, why not the boy forward the money account personal or gear? See again if we go do two I can't we can keep up to my account mana hemeria mana mboku ba da wakwara that is when they now decide to bring out the money. So because the video ebe the young man onye dibia nke Okija kwezelo ogwo obuzo kwe 2 million mecha kwe 600,000 and how the money was sent back to the owner. Bikono una anugonianu going back to your route we wetekwa na Isiagu bikono na mmadụ be mistake kwele go ogwo you have to find a way to return it back maka gini me na oburu ego gi enezana the video maka ndị na-aga ebe asị ha aga na obulo mbu ya delete account number nwoke ahụ from your phone ki we when I mistake kwekwa a large money back to that account in process of making business. And then this video the buy coordinate
and confirm the 2,600,000 then you call me back right now.
Okay, that's still online. Let me pick her right away.
No problem.
Not on live. You can pour her with the other phone.
No problem.
Okay. Okwele Bobble Isiagu na Okwele Traditionen and the Bobble Isiagu email transfer. Email transfer of 2,600,000 not accounts.
Okay.
Check here. Yes, check here. No live stream can confirm.
Okay, just I don't like. Okay,
the account name is Prince Madabuchi.
Yes.
Can you send there?
Shanaman is correct. Also not praise in Madabuchi.
Alright, thank you. At this point, in my normal way, I shall speak a word. That money will be useful to you. It is your money. It is your money. Anyway, it will work for you. As long as God and nature leave it, it will work for you. And whatever took you to Libya before, the end is today. It will never work again. It will never attack you again. Congratulations to you. Thank you. All right, move it. So I will still call the native doctor to tell him thank you. I'll call him to tell him thank you. Go. Brother. Yes. I'm calling you from a live camera to say thank you. From Facebook right now, I'm saying thank you to you. Thank you for hearing our voice and thank you for complying. You know, go. Thank you very, very much. Also, Bobble it for a balance of 450,000. We'll still call it to appreciate, sir.